Hey guys, welcome back to Island 5 Cooking. Today we're making a very easy smothered pork chop. Super easy, very tasty. Want to see how it's done? Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to jump right into it. I have some seasoned pork chop. I am using thin cut pork chops. I already seasoned them. The ingredients will be down below, so check it out. I pre-season it because I want it to be super tasty and set it aside for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to season our flour. I will leave that seasoning as well down below, so check it out. This is about 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add your seasoning on there, mix it together. Make sure to put a little bit on the side so we can make our smothered pork chop. Now I am going to add the pork chop on the flour. Make sure you drench the pork chop really good and then give it a quick shake, and then we're going to fry it. Now I am going to fry the pork chop for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they're nice and golden, because you want it to be cooked, you know. Once one side is nice and golden just like this, just flip it over so you can cook the other side. Once it looks like this, nice and crispy, just remove it, put it aside. Now I am going to remove my oil because it was looking a little old. So I am starting with fresh, a little bit of oil in that skillet with a little bit of onion, chopped yellow onion. Once my onion nice and translucent, I will be adding a little bit of garlic in there, about half a teaspoon of garlic. Once my garlic is nice and cooked, I will be adding a little bit of the seasoned flour that we saved earlier. Okay, now it's time to add the flour in. Make sure you stir it as you adding it. Once my flour turned that color, that means it's a little bit cooked. I will be adding some chicken broth in there, okay? I am going to stir in the chicken broth just like so, or you can use chicken stock as well, I'm pretty sure. Just give it a quick mix. Once it is nice and smooth just like so, it's time to add the heavy cream. Heavy cream is pretty heavy, so don't be heavy-handed, get it? So just add that in there. I actually added a little bit too much, but that's okay. So this is it, just like so. Give it a quick stir, and then it's time for you to add the pork chop. Well, before you add the pork chop, season it. I will be adding pepper, creole seasoning, and I believe I added a little bit of salt as well. Just make sure you season it until it's nice and tasty before you add in your pork chops. Now just give it a quick mix. It's nice and smooth, okay? Now it's time to add the pork chop. And don't forget to smother those pork chops in there. And then I will be covering it. Let it simmer on low for about 10 to 7 minutes. Once they come out, this is how it look. As you guys can see, the color kind of changes because of the lightning, but this is it. It's so good, you guys, and it's perfect with mashed potatoes or I don't know, vegetable. It's nice and juicy and it's nice and tender. And of course I have to cut it for you guys. The knife was just sliding right in there. Make sure you're using thin pork chop and not the thick one so it can cook faster. And this is how it looked from the inside, nice and juicy. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here on Island 5 Cooking, and definitely please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy, and I will see you guys on my next